Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create a shake effect using keyframes and animation features on CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and then add a keyframe at the start and also the end of each clip. Like this. Then on the first keyframe, zoom the clip in like this and drag it to the bottom right corner like this. Okay, and then after that, click on the grabs, click on custom and create this custom grab. Click on the check icon and go to animation. Under the in category, select the pedaling animation, this one. Now click on a check icon and you are done. But if you have more than one clip, you can just repeat the steps for all of the clips. And this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to click thanks, click on the thumbs up icon, subscribe, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye!